Good morning from the Pisgah National Forest. Good morning from the Pisgah National. Good morning from the Oh my gosh, seriously. Yeah, this is not your video. Good morning from the Pisgah National Forest. Today we're going to hike to Moore Cove Falls in the fall colors. We'll also go to Little Moore Cove Falls and Upper Little Moore Cove Falls. The flow is really low. With the weather's been kind of dry lately, but this should be a pretty good hike. So let's get to it. Oh, that's a lot easier. Okay. Oh, awesome. Cool. I never knew this was here. Look at that. Little Moore Cove Falls. Huh. It's got a better flow than the big one this morning. Man, cool. Okay, so Little Moore Cove Falls is right up there. This is my 108th waterfall to see in North Carolina. Pretty cool. Nice. So apparently there's an upper Little Moore Cove Falls too, so I'll try to go see that. But let's see if our fellow hikers left us a scrambled path anywhere. There's a tree right there. Yeah, we can do that. There's an even easier way right there. So we'll go out that way. We're at the top of Upper Little Moore Cove Falls, but the flow is really low and there's a lot of debris. So I'll try to get down to the base, but it doesn't really seem worth it. At least not today. All right, the land is a little bit more level here. I just hope I don't step in a wash. I don't know what the technical name is, but whenever you have a runoff stream going down to the creek, sometimes they get covered up in leaves, so it looks like you're on dry land, but you're not, and you can start slipping and falling pretty easily. That happened to me at Billy Branch Falls. For a couple of seconds there, I was surfing down the side of the hill. This is as close as I'm going to get. I'm sorry. There it is. Little Moore Cove Falls. I'm sure there's a lot more water in the spring or in the summer, but that's it for today. Current state of events here. If you're gonna make this trek, you've got two portions of badly fallen trees here. You're gonna have to navigate through those. When I'm talking about the soil being wet and soggy, that's what I'm talking about right there. You know, if you're trying to rest your feet on solid ground, you plant both feet on that going downhill, it's not good. Here is Whaleback Falls. I was here in the summer and the flow was crazy. I mean, really strong. It's pretty light today.